Hey guys, do you love this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad? I read this book nearly 20 years ago and had a profound impact on the way I thought about money. The first time that I learned about the cash flow quadrant and the first time I learned about increasing your income, decreasing your expenses, and having your overflow go into investments, it blew my mind. Now the reason I'm bringing this up today, guys, is because that's what I've been teaching people now for 2.5 years. My name's Adam Hudson. I've been teaching Amazon and how to use it as a side hustle business that you can start around your job or business to fast track your way out of the rat race and onto the financial fast track. And so far, I've taught over 5,000 people exactly how to do that in nearly 30 countries. And in just the last 2.5 years, those students who've launched Amazon businesses using my program have done over $120 million in sales collectively, which is just extraordinary. And so many people, tens of millions in fact, have read this book, but so few have really been able to identify the right vehicle to make that transition. And so if you'd like to learn about an incredible vehicle to make that transition, to implement this and learn why I've been invited to speak on stage in a 3-city national tour with Robert Kiyosaki, you will learn that by clicking on the link around this video where I've put together a free 4-part course on how to build an Amazon business as a side hustle, part-time around what you're currently doing, and join the rich, the people who are out of the financial rat race and on the fast track. Just click on the link below. The course is totally free and you can start right now. Click on the link and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.